How can you tell if your device has a virus?
Common signs of a virus include unexpected pop-ups, slow performance, unfamiliar apps, excessive data usage, and frequent crashes. If you notice unusual behavior on your device, it's time to investigate. Don't ignore these signs. Early action can help limit damage and protect your personal information.
What should you do immediately after discovering a virus?
First, disconnect your device from the internet to stop potential data loss or further infection. Avoid using sensitive accounts like banking or email. Then, try to identify and remove unfamiliar or suspicious apps. If possible, back up essential files. Acting quickly can help contain the problem and make removal easier.
How do you remove a virus safely?
Run a trusted antivirus or anti-malware scan. Follow the program's instructions to quarantine or delete any threats. In severe cases, you may need to reset your device to factory settings, so it's important to regularly back up your data. If you're unsure, seek help from a certified technician.
How can you prevent future infections?
Update your operating system and apps regularly. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Avoid downloading from unknown sources or clicking suspicious links. Consider installing reputable antivirus software and be cautious when connecting to public Wi-Fi. These steps help protect your device and your personal information.
Is it necessary to inform others?
If your virus may have spread through email or messaging apps, let your contacts know so they don't fall victim. Change any passwords you think might be compromised. Responsible notification can help stop the spread of malware and protect those around you.